Alright, what up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Last week I breathed in that fiberglass, so it sounds super snuffly or whatever the fuck you want to call it, but that's awkward. So Max got his Max got his mail order bride that just came in. Alright, we're gonna dive into this BC racing stuff. Basically gonna crack this box open. This should be our new 2020 suspension. And then we got a little bonus box, I don't know what's in that, so let's go. Oh, cracking into the BC box. This is our ER series stuff on the Swift springs. Fronts here, rears here. But yeah, so there's our fronts currently. Nothing super wrong with them, but BC's nice enough to deliver us some new stuff. So it's a new year, fresh product, super cool. Also, shout out to this little party pack here. Got a handful of stickers. Look at all that. Stickers, t-shirts, different graphics. This is Corey's. Oh, good day today so far.
You got your two tabs right there. What are you gonna tell him?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Tell him.
I never know really what to say to this. I'm just like,
Say something.
say something. I guess what, realistically, some people ask, what do you print on or what do you print with? This is like a 1989 Brown machine. So it's a very classic screen print approach, which like Caden was just saying, we enjoy a lot.
It's a nice little workout.
Yeah, it's super handmade.
Bam!
I knew it, what is this?
It's just dirty.
Oh.
I gotta clean it again.
Oh, okay. Caden's printing some cell phone stuff for his personal brand, but in our shop we have a Brown from 1989. It's like an old school 6-color. Then we also have a Lawson Manufacturing 2-color automatic. And we have an old Brown oven. And this is our little print setup in here, so super fun. We're meshing like obviously printing and drifting, which has been fun to print for a lot of the motorsports communities. Disclaimer, we do have a print shop that helps us fulfill when we're on the road and gone, so there's kind of that. But for the most part, this is how we started.
Good.
More. Okay. Caden's lowering his off contact for... Oh, you're gonna hit it again. Risky. Risky.
Hey, hold on. I got the GoPro live. I'm here with Nate. We're checking in with Fielding Shredder.
Word.
He's in the middle of Drift Week right now.
How's it going, dude?
Dude, it's going, man. I made it halfway and I'm still alive.
I was about to say, you surviving? Damn.
Yeah,
That's...
my back's not surviving, but you know, the car's a little rough too. But you know, we're still here, we're still kicking.
Dude, gnarly. Little Fielding Shredder update. Max is on the phone with him. Jamming some music in here. Getting some photos done. Sick.
Baby?
Let's go.
Little demon baby.
Ready? Let's get it. Oh man. Just took a little skate break. Dave's cleaning out the trailer. Now we have this that has been left over since the last race. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh.
I got the pressure washer.
Ugh. You about to pressure wash it?
Not right now.
Oh god. Let's leave it over here. This shit's ridiculous.
How many claws you put in that bad boy?
Grab us one, dude. Grab me one.
Yeah, dude. There's so many in there.
Grab a claw, bro.
God dang. That's gross.
Dave already gave me an eviction notice. Less than 24 hours.
Less than 24 hours. Gotta go.
It looked like it was abandoned, so.
Well, I'm gonna show you that it's not.
He's gonna need these.
Oh, thank you. So crazy hearing it. I'm like scared to go over 50 at this
Right? It's all just walking around.
Oh, those are the tires.
Oh, tires treading.
We're gonna cruise back.
Made it back. Let's see how this tire's doing. Back into the lab, dude.
Oh, yeah.
That's just a little guy.
She got a couple more laps in
That's
her.
right, dude. Look who's in the house.
Oh boy.
What you up to, babe?
Just writing emails.
I was writing emails. So one of the, okay, we probably will have to cut that out. Yeah, I was just gonna throw a camera in her face right now and see what the hell she's up to, which looks like tour dates.
Atlanta, Las Vegas, Virginia, Michigan, North Dakota, Ohio, Colorado, Kentucky.
See you guys there.
Bye.
It's like fun. You know what I mean?
Jam
Just
out.
like skate.
Damn
yeah.
right.
Hell yeah.
We're about to play a game of skate. Remind me your name one more time.
Felipe.
Felipe, all right. We just met. He's coming through. A friend of Caden's. Hey. Damn, son. The alignment.
You guys want to play a game of skate? That's what we're about to do.
Let's go.
All right, hang on.
Me and Corey about to lose for sure. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got your match. Very rare moment right there for Corey. Out the way. Corey's last letter rule. Acelerador. You got that one? What was that? I can't even on that one, like. Alright, nollie front heel, got 2 tries. Yeah, ready.
I'm going that back heel first back heel. I'm gonna start
Film this, right?
Let's go.
heel flips. Back 180. Oh shit, those are my 2 best. Yeah, that's nice.
Yo, nice to meet you also, man. See you guys soon.
Yeah.
You're so nervous.
That's awesome. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I just put on a jacket, wrapping it up here at the shop today. Got a little skating in. Worked on the car just a little bit. Dad did anyways. Caden was printing some cell phone stuff, which is super cool. And I had a game of skate with some local skateboarders here in Denton. That was rad. I got 2nd place, whatever. If you don't win, you're last, or however the fuck they say that. But good times. This wall's coming together. It's almost done. The shop is kind of always in a consistent state of rebuilding. So now it's time for the weekly grind, and we'll talk to you guys next Sunday.
These for sale?
Soon.
They should be.
Damn.